Hello, folks. Hi. We got some boxes. Let's see what we have in here. Unboxing time. These are the food for koi. Got bird seeds as well. Another variety of koi foods. Got here. We got tulip bulbs here, which I need to plant in a couple of days probably. So that next spring it'll be wonderful. One pack, another pack, and another pack. There we go. Yeah, it'll be lovely coming spring. Let's see what we have here then. Has some plants. Autumn is around the corner. Right, let's see. Yep, there you go. Look at them. So they are birdhouse. So my plan is to get some shelters for the bird before winter comes in. So one birdhouse. Another birdhouse. Right, so get these houses out in the garden. Probably you guys will have to help me to find out where should I put this birdhouse. Be a nice and lovely cozy house. The birds for the winter time. Yeah. Right. Lovely birdhouse. Yeah. They've got hinges here. Okay. And screw here. So unscrew it and then get the hinge out. Probably put a camera inside here so you can have a live view of any bird coming in. Birdhouse. Lovely. Keep the box aside. There you go. So probably in near future you would get some bird views as well. Lovely. 1 and 2. Keep them aside and find what we have got in the other box. Kois are outside. Let's see. Looks great. Another box, is it? Wow. That's thoroughly packed. Right. Another box. Box inside another box. Right. Let's see if you've got Okay, and simple. Okay, what have we got here? Ah, these are the bird feeder I ordered today. Right. Ah, that's the top of it. Goes in like this in the soil. Keep it nice and stable, and then have the pipe on top of it, and these will hang with bird food. Here the house for the bird to stay in the course of winter and cold, and then these will have some food in them. Come and eat. This is the instruction manual. There you go. How it works: place your bird feeder in an area where the birds are safe and you can watch. A lot of stuff there. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 parts to this bird feeder. Need to assemble them. So this is called the mesh food tray with holder. This is the plastic water bowl with bowl holder. These are the base. Bird feeder. Another bird feeder, that kind of food. Additional hanging hook. Top hook. There's a top hook as well. Multifunctional hooks. There you go. All the different parts for the bird feeder. Lovely. I'll show you once this is assembled. And the birdhouse. Perfect.